Welcome back to the fig greenhouse. This is December 5th. We've gotten our trees all pruned back, and we are starting our cutting sale at figandfruit.com. I'll post a link right here above me or below me. I'll put a link here where you can see it. And you just go click on that, and we have cuttings for sale over there. We've pruned all of our big trees back, as you can see here pretty clearly. Let me turn my GoPro on. As you can see, we've gotten our trees pruned back. This is how we store our trees. I'm just in here today doing getting some cuttings. I hadn't pruned any of my potted trees, only these in-ground trees, and I'm going to be we're going to be doing a series and showing all these trees and as we prune them and what they look like afterward. So you'll be watching that. Be the next episode that comes out. We'll start that new series on pruning these fig trees and how I pruned them. But as you can see, we've had some pretty cold nights, and there's no damage here on none of these. This is Caldidium Blanca Negra that we're looking at here. And we've had some 19-degree night. There's one I didn't quite get all the leaves off of. That tree there it's sitting next to is yellow long neck. I cut it back pretty harsh, as you can see. But I'll be showing video of how I done these and cutting all these back, and that'll give you a little better idea how we done this. But if you're looking for some cuttings, we got some real good prices. You know, right here's about what you're going to get. A lot of the cuttings are going to be that size, and there'll be some this size too. So probably nothing much smaller than, I don't normally say anything smaller than that. So well, our cuttings are rather thick. But figandfruit.com for all of our cuttings and trees. And I hope you enjoy this pruning series that we're going to be doing here the next. It'll take probably about a month because we videoed all of this. I didn't video putting any of these up because I had a little accident and wasn't able to do it. My wife got it done though. So we hope you enjoy what's coming next, and like I said, look us up again, figandfruit.com. So just to kind of show you what we do a little more, is this is just, it's just screwed to that front 2x4 frame that you see all through the year, and it's just laying on top of it. And then where they maybe didn't fit up real good, we put these blankets on these on the cracks over the tops. I've got enough of these old moving blankets. Some of them are in decent shape, some of them are not. You know, they're not perfect. We've used them for several years. And even before they was being used for this, they were used for moving, so they've all been around for quite some time. But you can find these. Generally, you can buy these moving blankets like at Harbor Freight, or you can buy them online. They're not too pricey. Just to throw on top in here, just to help. It don't have to be perfect. As you've seen, we didn't have any issues with what we've had. So all right, I'm going to get to wrapping this up in here and covering it up. Thanks for watching.